A paper towel always comes in handy to soak up a spill, clean a surface, or simply dry wet hands. This brand is made from 100% recycled fibers, primarily white paper obtained from office waste. The paper goes into a large machine called the pulper, which breaks it up into fibers, then blends those fibers with water to produce a mushy substance called pulp. A built-in filter removes all the non-paper materials such as plastic windows from envelopes and staples. The next machine removes the ink by injecting the pulp with air. The ink detaches from the pulp fibers and clings to the air bubbles. The pulp goes through a press, which with a series of rollers squeezes out the water. A screw conveyor then breaks up the pulp and moves it to the next station, which whitens it with a peroxide-based bleaching agent, then rinses it thoroughly with clean water. Next, they apply a chemical wet strength agent, then form it into a sheet of paper nearly 8 feet wide. The wet strength agent, as the term suggests, keeps the paper towel intact when wet. Without this fortifying treatment, paper towels would be as fragile as toilet paper. 2 rolls feed the line simultaneously, each providing 1 ply of the 2-ply paper towel. The factory's quality control lab analyzes samples in both a wet and dry state. The testing machine pulls both ends of the sample until it tears, measuring whether the paper meets strength specifications. On the converting line, 1 ply travels under an embossing roller, which presses a textured design onto the paper. Another roller then applies a thin coat of glue onto the raised portions of the pattern. The next station lays the embossed and glued ply on top of the second still flat ply. Then a fine-toothed knife cuts the perforated lines, which will separate the individual sheets on the paper towel roll. The next machine winds 100 sheets around a cardboard tube. That's the length of 1 paper towel roll. A machine called the accumulator transports these logs, as they're called, to the cutting station, where every 10 inches, a rotating circular saw slices through 4 logs simultaneously. This divides each log into a dozen finished paper towel rolls. The next station groups the rolls for packaging, then heat seals the wrapping closed. Paper towel consumption is highest in North America, where factories produce 50 trillion rolls per year.